Welcome back Autovechia legend, Toyota CHR, full overview. The Toyota CHR is a subcompact crossover SUV with bold, sporty styling. It's known for combining the practicality of a small SUV with the looks of a coupe. Category: body style, 5-door coupe crossover. Seating capacity, 5 passengers. Drive type, front-wheel drive FWD, some variants offer all-wheel drive AWD. Engine and performance, depending on the model year and market, e.g., Japan, UK, Pakistan, etc., the Toyota CHR comes with the following engine options. Petrol variants, 1.2L turbocharged petrol. Power, approximately 114 to 116 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual or CVT. 2.0L petrol. Power, approximately 144 horsepower. Transmission, CVT. Available in some markets like the US, Europe. Hybrid variants, 1.8L petrol hybrid. Power, approximately 122 horsepower combined. Transmission, eCVT electric CVT. 2.0L hybrid available in newer models. Power, approximately 184 horsepower combined. Excellent fuel economy. Fuel efficiency, mileage. Variant approximately. Mileage, 1.2L petrol 14 to 16 km/h. 1.8L hybrid 20 to 23 km/h. 2.0L petrol 11 to 13 km/h. 2.0L hybrid 19 to 21 km/h. Fuel economy varies based on driving conditions and market. Dimensions. Dimension value. Length 4,360 mm. Width 1,795-1,830 mm. Height 1,550-1,565 mm. Wheelbase 2,640 mm. Ground clearance approximately 138 to 150 m. Boot space approximately 300 to 377 liters. Features: exterior, LED headlights and DRLs. Stylish coupe-like roofline. Alloy wheels 16 to 18 inches depending on variant. Rear spoiler. Keyless entry. Interior, 7 inches or 8 inches touchscreen infotainment. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in newer models. Dual-zone automatic climate control. Premium fabric or leather seats. Push start, smart entry. Safety. Toyota Safety Sense in some regions. Pre-collision system. Lane departure alert. Adaptive cruise control. ABS with EBD. Rear view camera. Parking sensors. 6 or more airbags depending on variant. Toyota CHR in Pakistan as of 2025. Engine, mostly 1.8L hybrid. Transmission, CVT. Price range, 4.2 million Pakistani rupees to 8.8 million, 42 rupees minus 88.3 lakhs. Fuel average, 19 to 23 km/h. Variants available, mostly used imported JDM units or UK versions. Ground clearance, approximately 150 mm, reasonable for Pakistani roads. Pros and cons. Check mark pros. Stylish and unique design. Excellent hybrid fuel economy. High safety ratings. Toyota reliability. Good resale value, especially in hybrid trims. Cross mark cons. Rear seat headroom is tight due to sloped roof. Small boot space for SUV class. Slightly expensive in Pakistan due to being imported. Limited off-road capability, mainly urban use. Is the CHR right for you? Choose the CHR if you want a stylish compact SUV for city driving, a hybrid vehicle with great mileage, Toyota's build quality and reliability, a unique design that stands out from regular SUVs. Subscribe my YouTube channel and more videos.